Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the registration lock feature on the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the chats icon and click on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on settings, which is the second option. Scroll down and click on the account button. Scroll down to registration lock that you can enable by clicking on this button on the right side, then tap on turn on. As you can see, it means that it requires your Signal pin to register your phone number again with Signal. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.